I'd like to start my video off by saying this is Granite Falls, and we just had that windstorm last night, which affected some trees. 2 landed in the guy's yard across the street, but we have one large, older tree that caused some power lines to go down that's to the right of us here. Wow. Very, very interesting. I've been here a couple times visiting because I have friends that live here. This is the corner of their street here, and it obviously was a lot older tree. There's the stump of it. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. It landed in the neighbor's backyard. They've actually cut it. Got wires down. Telephone pole. The wires that go down into people's yards, obviously. I'm going to head on up into the front of my friend's place, which is got the wires down also, and the neighbor's house, the purple and white home there. And then my friend's place is over here. And I came over to visit, and all of a sudden I was underneath this wiring that got jerked down from the tree